Okay, it is time for a tour of 9301 159 Street. This is a new listing of mine. Don't even have the for sale sign up yet. Let's come and take a look. Okay. Just give me a tad to take my shoes off, because that would be savage to walk through the house with shoes with snow on them. So here's the living room. As you can see, the house is vacant, so it's ready to move in. These floors are actually brand new laminate, so they're brand spanking new. And a lot of the walls were just painted, so most of the house has been painted. It's quite fresh. Here you've got the kitchen. It's been updated. Obviously, it's not brand new like the floors, but it's still been updated. It's not the original from when the house was built, so it looks pretty good. Let's head over to the master bedroom. All right, here's the master bedroom. Got hardwood floors in the bedrooms, which is nice. There's 3 upstairs. From the master bedroom, you can take a peek outside. As you can see, we've got some fresh snow. Actually, over there behind that tree, there's no house there. It's an area that is just basically a little park that anybody can use. So it's pretty awesome that you don't have a neighbor right across from you. And this road right here, there's actually no through road. So you're not gonna have much traffic. The only traffic that you'll have are people that are actually coming to houses in this area. So that's pretty sweet. Okay. Here's another bedroom. Again, hardwood floors, freshly painted. Got a little closet over here. Before we look at the bathroom, let's take a quick peek at the 3rd bedroom upstairs. This one overlooks the yard. Give you a sneak peek of the yard. All right, let's take a peek at the bathroom. So we got a nice little bathroom here. Updated vanity, basically brand new in the last year. New floors, new toilet, and then you've got the tub. Of course, you need that. Be able to take your showers and stuff. As you can see, I've found a second way to the kitchen. So if you didn't want to go through the living room, get to the bedrooms, you can come through here. So just another quick peek at the kitchen and the dining room. Over here, we've got a pantry. So you got quite a bit of storage space here in the pantry. Oops. All right, a little bit more storage space here. Just to show you the floors again. So these are brand new as well. Brand new laminate floors. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. This is a new fridge. So nice and new. Okay, let's head downstairs. This is the back entrance, goes into your backyard so you can get access to your garage. We'll go out there later, but for now, let's come down looking in here. Okay, so this is the rec room or the rumpus room or whatever you want to call it. Brand new floors again. So these rugs were just put in as well, so they're brand new. Take a look at that. Nice and fuzzy. It's also been painted down here. There's 2 bedrooms down here, plus another room that technically isn't a bedroom, but you could use it as storage. This is the 1st bedroom. Take a peek at that. Not too shabby. Yeah, the rug's new all throughout this area. Here we go. Here's another one of the rooms in here. Do a quick run around for you. Okay. Now let's go look at the laundry room. Ooh. I'm not even gonna show you in here. You don't want to know what's in there. You got to come take a look if you want to see what's in there. Okay, so here is the laundry room. Got a sink as well, and then here's a little storage room that you can use. Even that wall's been painted. Just give you a quick run around. Got a quick little view of me there in the mirror. It's about all you'll see of me in this video. Okay, so let's show you the second bathroom. All right. So, you've got the half bath part of it. And then over here, you've actually got another full tub shower. So, got another full bathroom here. Let me just back out of there. Something else I wanted to point out to you guys is there's actually a newer furnace in here. So this was put in roughly 10 to 12 years ago. It is a high efficiency furnace, which is awesome. So that's something that you don't need to worry about too much, knowing that your house is going to be more efficient. This is just getting access to the rest of the utility room. Got a hot water tank, and then extra flooring if you got a friend that comes over that messes up your new floor. So there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go back up, cut the video, and show you the yard and the garage. See you on the other side. Okay, I got my shoes on, picking up where we just left off, going out the back door here. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay, you can see here that I had to shovel the sidewalk so I can make my video. Got a nice, good chunk of yard right here. Got a fireplace over there that you could use in the summertime. Wouldn't recommend it in the winter. We head on over here around the house. Over this way is out to the front of the house. So you've actually got another piece of yard here, which I think would be pretty good for something like a garden. Just show you a peek around the front of the house where we were. It's a nice sort of pie-shaped lot, so you have a bigger lot and a nice long front yard. Okay. Got a double detached garage over here. And actually a pretty big driveway as well, so yeah. Over here you've got of course, the access on the back. And just gonna cut the video one more time so you don't have to see me fiddling with the keys. Getting into the garage here. You know what? Let's see. Let's see if I can manage this. Oh. Okay. Okay. So here's the double detached garage. Obviously got lots of space in here. There's actually drywall on the roof and on the walls, which is awesome. So it's a little bit better insulated. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to take a look at this, get in contact with me or your realtor that you're working with, and we can set up. Get in contact with me or the realtor you're working with, and we can set up a showing. All right. Have a good afternoon.